Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to the ZigBee Wi-Fi MmWave human presence motion sensor with luminance/distance detection. This incredible piece of home automation technology is a game changer when it comes to smart living. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home security, automate your lighting, or simply make your daily life more convenient, this sensor has got you covered. Let's dive into some of the amazing features of this sensor. First off, it comes in two versions, 5.8G and 24G radar, giving you the flexibility to choose the one that best suits your needs. With human presence, static, micromotion, and movement detection, this sensor is incredibly versatile and can accurately detect the presence or absence of people in the area. But that's just the beginning. The sensor also features luminance monitoring, allowing for smart scene linkage with other devices. Imagine walking into a room and having the lights automatically turn on as the brightness changes. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, and it's all possible with this sensor. And the best part? Installation is a breeze. Whether you want to mount it on the ceiling or the wall, this sensor is incredibly easy to set up and offers a range of adjustable parameters to ensure it meets your specific needs. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do I control all of this amazing technology? Well, that's where the Tuya ZigBee Gateway comes into play. Acting as the control center for all Tuya ZigBee devices, this hub ensures stable connectivity and wider compatibility, making it an essential component of your smart home setup. So, if you're ready to take your home automation game to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the ZigBee Wi-Fi MmWave human presence motion sensor. Trust me, once you experience the convenience and peace of mind that this sensor brings, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. You can find the product through the link in the description below, and as always, thank you for watching and supporting the channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews just like this one. Happy automating!